Welcome to TheGap. Your user stories are short and entire clause, and why it impacts AI development. In most teams, the user story template looks complete, but it isn't. There's a missing clause, and that missing piece is exactly where projects begin to drift. The standard format is familiar. As a type of user, I want to do something so that I get some business value, and then it stops. What's missing is the most important part, and we will know we have done that when that fourth clause is the acceptance criteria, and most teams never write it. That's the problem. Let's make the full structure explicit. A complete user story has 4 clauses. The fourth clause defines specific observable conditions that must be true for the work to be considered done. This is where clarity actually begins. When you include acceptance criteria, developers know what done looks like before they write a single line of code. It creates shared understanding between the product owner and the team. Without it, every developer may carry a different interpretation of finished. With it, done is no longer an opinion. It becomes something you can verify, a checkable fact. Now this becomes even more critical when you introduce AI agents. A human developer can ask a clarifying question. An AI agent cannot. It works strictly from what it is given. The acceptance criteria becomes the target. It tells the AI what correct actually looks like. Should it read a file, write to a database, return a specific output? The AI needs that level of precision. It also defines the finish line. The agent will continue working until those conditions are satisfied. Without that boundary, the AI decides what done means, and that decision may not match what anyone intended. In practice, a well-written fourth clause becomes the agent's instruction set. The how is the AI's responsibility. The what, defined in the acceptance criteria, is the team's responsibility. Those two must not be confused. At its core, acceptance criteria is a contract. It's an agreement between people and the AI agent. It defines success before the work begins. On the team side, the responsibility is clear. Define what done means, not how to achieve it. Evaluate each criterion after delivery. Pass or fail. No debate. And if stakeholders are unhappy, even though the criteria were met, then the criteria need to change, not the AI. On the AI side, the role is equally clear. Determine how to achieve the outcome. Work until the observable conditions are satisfied. This is the same principle behind test-driven development. Define the finish line first, then move toward it. The people decide what correct is. The AI agent decides how to get there. Acceptance criteria is where that boundary is drawn.